Hi there, great to see you again. In this video, I'll show you how to bulk edit issues in Jira, a skill that can greatly enhance your productivity, whether you're handling a small project or overseeing multiple tasks within a large team. To get started, navigate to the project you want to work on and click on the Issues tab at the top of the page. This section serves as your command center for all work items linked to your project, making it an essential space to master. Once there, switch to the Basic Search option, which is a user-friendly feature perfect for quickly identifying the issues you wish to modify without the hassle of complex filters. For this demonstration, let's focus on issues marked as To Do. Click on the Status drop-down menu and select To Do to filter the list and display only those issues that are waiting in your pipeline. Now that you have filtered the issues, it's time to initiate the bulk change process. Look to the right side of your screen, find the three dots icon, click on it, and select Bulk Change Issues from the menu. This will open the functionality you need to edit multiple issues simultaneously. Next, you'll see a list of issues that match your specified criteria. Individually select each issue you wish to edit, and then click the Next button at the bottom of the screen to proceed. You will now need to choose an operation. For our purposes, select Edit Issues as the operation type and click Next to continue. It is crucial to ensure that Edit Issues is selected, as this allows you to make the necessary changes. With your operation selected, decide which fields you'd like to update, whether it's priority, status, or even labels. This flexibility lets you tailor the updates to meet your project's specific requirements. Select the field or fields you wish to update, and input the new values as needed. After entering the new information, click Next to proceed to the review stage. The review stage is vital as it provides an opportunity to double-check all changes before making them official. Carefully examine the review screen to ensure that all issues and proposed updates are correct, as this is your last chance to make any adjustments. Once you are satisfied with the review, click the Confirm button to apply the changes across all selected issues, thus completing your bulk edit operation. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently manage and update multiple issues in Jira, saving you both time and effort. Thank you for watching, and happy project managing.